Awesome, welcome to Growing Guitar. Glaive here. All I do is try my best. So yeah, you cannot do really anything more than that. Try your best. That's what I do here. And yeah, let's take a look at this cool song. It goes in the same way through the entire song. So let's start this up and look at the chords. No need for any capo on this one. So 3 chords, that's what we need. The first one is C. All right, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord is what I call the CB here. So that is B there on B note there, 2nd A string, then open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And then the final chord is a bar chord, it's the F. So I place a bar now on the 1st fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright guys, so what we need next is a strumming pattern that works for this song. Alright, so let's go back to C, since that is the 1st chord. And by the way, the chord progression here will be in the order we learned the chord through the entire song. So C, CB, and F. That's what goes around and around. So let's go back to the C here and look at the strumming. So one strumming around will be down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. That will work for this song. And it goes pretty fast. So slowly it goes like this. Right? So down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. All right, so a couple of rounds to get the idea of how it sounds and how the rhythm goes. It goes like this. Alright, so now we're gonna play 4 string rounds for C, then 2 for the CB, and 2 for F. And that's what's going round and round. So let's give this a couple of rounds of this chord progression. Alright guys, so that is all I do is try my best from GLAIVE here. So thank you for watching guys. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please thumb up and play tuned.